But I guess a turnoff would be, I hate cocky guys or guys that just expect you to like, that you're going to talk to them or like go home with them. Like I remember one time I was at a club and there was this hockey team there and I knew a bunch of them. I was friends with them. We were like hanging out and he was like standing up and they had just won something or he just won something with the team. And he was standing up like on top of the table and just being like super obnoxious and just like acting like a fucking full-blown idiot. So I'm sitting there with him and he's like, just get up here with me. And I was like, no. And he was like, come on, like, please get up here. He takes my Gucci purse and kicks it across the bar, like the whole club.
You should have coughed on him.
Right? This motherfucker would be dead right now.